I think it's stuck.
No, wait.
I'm trying to get it together.
Is it stuck? I don't know. It looks stuck. Never mind.
Its wing is broken, I think.
Are you okay, little bird?
Don't scare it.
I'm taking a video.
I know.
We are actually really close. Like,
Really close. It's okay. It's okay. If we can pick it up, you can just like crawl into our hand.
you want?
Because my mom takes care of birds sometimes. Hey, we're gonna be nice. Okay, set everything down. Shut off the video, everything.
Just go like this. I want to see it. Come on.
You can't. Let's go like that.
Yeah,
Baby, don't touch it with your bare hands.
Why? Here.
Don't. Yeah. Don't grab it. Just let it flutter on.
Look. We'll help you.
Let's go like this. Go closer. If it pecks at you, run.
Why? Want to go on there? It's like looking at me.
Get a stick.
What's wrong, little buddy? Is your wing broken? Is your wing broken? Your wing broken? Not too
It's
big.
like wing is broken or something.
Look, we'll help you.
Go call me, mommy.
Huh?
I need one of us to call me, mommy.
You run into the house
can't.
because.
Huh? I can't. I
Why?
need like a long stick.
Hi. Is your wing broken? Come on, just come on here.
Hey. I might have to see this. Put this on. Put this on here. Put it on here.
No,
Just
just-
put it on here. No, because it's gonna think that we're gonna capture it, like kill it.
Scared.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
How are we gonna put it on there?
It's okay.
We're not gonna kill you. It's okay.
Okay, just shut up.